Hello Madventurers! Last time on Madcat Sailing we saw day trip in Dunkirk. Follow us this week as we chillax around Dunkirk, ready for going home. Well Madventurers, it's the last day, Sunday. Thought I'd have a chillax day and sat watching these dogs do some training. Quite interesting to watch actually. As they slowly gather in the background, you look around. Another one down there. Another one over there. Correct. Mine. I'll tell you what, you look at this memorial here and you think to yourself, all them years ago, thousands of troops on these beaches here, lots of them lost their lives, and 338,000 Allied troops made it back alive to British shores. And you look at it today, it's another world. Like I say, you look at it, it's like Venice Beach in America. You've got people on roller skates up and down, you've got people, bodybuilders on the beach showing off how many push-ups they can do, volleyball and bars, just a completely different place to where it was, which is a good thing, it's progress. But yeah, it's a beautiful place. I'd recommend it to anyone to come here, even if it's only for a long weekend. It's worth a visit. They're absolutely packed today, hell of a lot of history. You see all these billboards here as well. I'll show you this. There'll be a few pictures to come. You'll have to excuse the voice, I'm a bit tired now. Start the film before I go back. Shame and that graffiti here. Idiots. But yeah, there's loads of these dotted about all around Dunkirk. You walk through the town centre around the marinas and you'll see on one of my other videos, maybe this one clipped together. One of the churches were fired upon, and you can see all the bullet holes in the side of the wall. Sad really. So I'm sure everyone's got a relation to some other that's been through the war or still alive. Memories of the war, longest peacetime ever. Just hope it stays like that for a lot longer. Bonjour, it's time to say au revoir. Before we go though, so to sum up Dunkirk, absolutely beautiful place. If you want French, it's very French. People speak very little English here, as I've found out going in the shops. I've learned how to speak French, how to order a beer. It's merci beaucoup. Yeah, that's my French. Useless. It gets me by. But yeah, wonderful place. There's a museum at the back here. Got all the history behind Operation Dynamo. Well worth a visit, definitely. So to sum up a few things that went wrong, don't wear a peak cap on a windy day because you might lose it in the water. Finely tune your outboard motor so you don't embarrass yourself entering a marina. Follow your own advice. When you say the marina that you want to be at is about 3 or 4 miles further up the coast, follow that 3 or 4 miles up the coast. And I had the solar fail and the battery fail. The solar's now working. It's au revoir for now. Merci beaucoup, my petit filou. Thanks for watching. Catch you again soon, guys. Follow me next time. It's time to head home, and it's very smooth and lack of wind due to really nice weather. Before you go, guys, don't forget hit the subscribe button. Things can only get better.
The final call. The writing's on the wall.